I'm Sara Paowana, a multidisciplinary conceptual fine artist, largely working with ceramics, sculptures, and interactive installation. My artworks often combine language and text to formulate a cultural narrative that responds to diasporic identity and interchange of dual nationality. As a critically engaged artist, I frequently highlight the increasingly globalized world and the effect of westernization to indigenous cultures from the East, particularly Thailand. My work aims to explore the multifaceted layers of Thai British identity and what that encompasses in the ever-changing contemporary world. I seek to highlight the significance of agricultural heritage to the Assam region and the harsh juxtaposition of westernized values and capital emerging into Thai indigenous villages. The employment of rice in my practice provides a historical and cultural narrative into primitive rice farming and the emergence of Western intervention of capitalistic gains to commercializing rice globally.